Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing 10 miles in 1 more mile to go on a Tuesday. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Today is day 7, maybe day 8, I don't know. I can't think right now, no blood. Everything is sweat as you can see. Alright, see you in the problem. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 8 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Also means that we have a weekly premium afterwards. Stay tuned for that video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. It's Wednesday here in New York City. It's 3 a.m. I am an idiot / I don't know. I mean, things came up and I started my run at midnight. And it was a 2-hour run, so now I am back here. And I had to rest my everything for a little bit. So no notes today. Tomorrow is a rest day. Tomorrow will be a good day. Tonight, let's finish these 2 problems, and then let's go to bed. Let's go. Today we have 2,300 successful pairs of spells and potions. You're given 2 positive integer array spells and potions, length N and M, okay? Or let's call them S and P because that makes more sense. Sorry, give me a second. I'm like very dehydrated for maybe obvious reasons. I drank a lot of water on the way, but I don't know. Today's just a messy day. It was also raining and pouring outside, as you maybe have saw. But yeah, and I'm not even drinking anything other than pure milk, well maybe not pure milk. This is lactose free milk, because but anyway, okay. I need to hydrate. Forgot. This is a half a gallon of milk. I drink 1 of these a day, and it is 1,200 calories. Yeah, that's how and I'm still losing weight, so that tells you how tired and drained I am. But okay, let's finish reading the problem. Sorry, friends. Hope you are having a great day or a great week. Things are a little bit nuts, but it is what it is. Okay. So spells of I represent the strength of I spell. Potions of J represent the strength of J potion. You give an integer success, a spell and potion pairs considered successful if the product of the strength is at least success. Return an integer array pairs, length N, where pair survives the number of potions that will form a successful pair with the I spell. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you have this cross product thing. You obviously don't want to do a cross product thing. I mean, even without looking I'm looking at the constraints just to make sure. I suppose they can give you a really dumb for loop problem, like 2 for loops. But, I suspect that it was not. Given that it's 10 to the 5th, you cannot do S times P. That is just too slow, right? But for each potion, you want to find the number of successful pair. And really, it is just a couple of things, right? So you have this formula, right? Let's just say you have some S for 1 spell, and potion is another potion, and then you have some you want some strength to be some like success thing, right? I'm just going to suck for short. Maybe that's not great. Okay, fine. Whatever, just go success, right? In any case, but P is constant, right? So that means that we're just looking for if you want to write another way, just this. And if we have a structure on S, then we can just binary search, and it's easy to create that structure by sorting. And that is what we are going to do. Keep in mind that for this problem, we actually don't even need the index of the spell, so we can actually just quote-unquote destroy it. Note that some problems you might have to keep track of it, but that's not, that's not difficult. You just have to keep track of the indexes so that when you rebind it or something, you'll be fine. But yeah, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't really have much to say. I don't know how much of it is that I'm tired, to be honest. Let me know in the comments if you struggle with this and if you have any specific questions. and then we'll see what we can do. But yeah, we sorted. Then now for P and potions, we want to binary search spells on what did we say? Success over P, right? The only thing that I might get a little bit worried about is that you have this is a decimal, right? And you have ints, and you could maybe keep things in int. One thing that I want to check real quick is whether bisect left ticks like a key thing. One thing about using multiple languages is that sometimes you just forget what's in the language. But because I feel like, I mean, this is fine, and it maybe even is successful, right? I mean, we could try it out, but I don't like it this way because it gives a lot of uncertainty. So I don't know. It's okay. And in fact, the index is also the number of things that are equal to. So we just have to do something like s minus index. Maybe I'm off by 1. Did I do it the other way? Oh, whoops, I did do it the other way. I mean, okay, I thought I read it correctly, but I even slowed down. I'm really tired, friends. Wednesdays, Tuesdays, whatever it is, depending on where you're doing it. Not a great time for Larry. But no need to worry, right? Simple fix. Oh, yeah, because we sorted spells when we should. Now we need to sort potions. Okay, give a quick submit. If it fails, which honestly wouldn't have been surprised. 2017, we're catching up to 2025 or whatever it is this year, right? But I am going to upsell. I mean, this is going to be binary search, right? I mean, this is sorting P log P, and then binary search, which is S. For each S, you do a log P, so it's going to be P log P plus S log P, right? I'm not going to go over that deeply today, mostly because I'm tired, but I do want to upsolve it a little bit. Because I think you can give things to buys. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm trying to find like the actual thing. Yeah, there's a key thing, right? So I'm just looking at the Python docs. Maybe I could have asked ChatGPT, I suppose. But in any case, there's a key thing. So how do I use this key? Funky key is none. Okay. Oh, it's in 310. That's why I always check once in a while, because I feel like I've seen some people use it, but I never. Oh, I don't remember using it. But 310 it's not reason anymore, but it's still reason-ish to me, right? Oh, I also just saw the heap stuff, so I was like hoping that you can reuse heap. But n smallest and n largest is not that interesting, because they do I mean, it's just not interesting. Like I wish there's a way to kind of reverse it, right? But in any case, how do you use? So I wish they just show like one example with the key, right? Well, I mean, just give me like the okay, so for an item, it returns that item. Okay, so that means that if we want to binary search potions, then we can do something like maybe key is equal to some lambda x or p in this case. So for each p, we want p times s. is greater than or equal to success, right? Maybe that's a little bit cleaner. And we want to binary search for true. Does that work? Okay. Yeah. I guess today we learned something new. And the reason why this is a little bit cleaner is because here, now P is integer, S is integer, and success is integer. You don't have to worry about, risking imprecision, precision issues, right? I'm drinking more milk. So this syntax is a little bit weird because, well, not weird, but it's just very coincidental. So I guess you could reverse it. What I was going to say is because this only works because the way that we construct it, it goes false, dot, true, right? Dot, well, just all truths, right? And the binary search also implicitly, I suppose, does this like 0, 0, 1, 1 thing. So when you binary search, you search for the first one. But it doesn't work if you have to reverse, right? If you have like, well, in this case, it'll be true, and then false, right? And your binary search, just to be clear, in case you try to generalize it too much, it doesn't work. But you can just reverse your key function, or invert it, not reverse. So, I mean, I think it's fine. But it is a little bit, like you have to be careful and think through it. Okay. Anyway, yeah, still the same complexity, but just less precision, and technically should be a little bit faster, just because multiplication is faster than division. But though I don't know, maybe, well, and then look at the multiplication should be faster than division, but maybe the overhead of calling another function versus just an index value lookup in a way index value lookup is too much. I guess that's true. Oh well, that's why you benchmark stuff and not just guess which one is faster. But in any case, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.